When I lie, when my soul, when I grind, I swear to God. When I rise, for my soul, when I grind, I swear to God. Yes, I'm alive.
What's up to the TNT Gang family? We're back with another video, and my name is Nicey, and I have my mommy.
And I'm Mama T.
Hey, Mama T. And today we're gonna be doing the makeup challenge. So you're gonna do it without a mirror. That's so hard, I swear.
Yes, we're going to do the no mirror makeup challenge. And as you can see, our eyes are already primed. And you guys are going to be the judges on whose makeup is better. And remember, we ain't got no mirrors.
No mirror, but we have a couple mirrors. But we
So-
can't cheat. That's the point. Can't cheat, that's the point.
Well, anyway, let's get into the video. Trinice's brush.
That's,
is
I thought it was small.
Mama brush. And we are going to use our
Palette of makeup.
Shan't Cosmetics palette. Shan't Cosmetics palette from Amazon. We will leave a link
Yeah, mommy
in
is.
the description box below.
Mommy is so
Because
sweet.
we're not playing in mommy's good makeup. No, we're not. Thank you.
Mommy is so sweet. She's the best mom ever.
This has a mirror on it, but I'm gonna leave it flat so we can't see. Pick your first color.
Color.
That is pink. Let's put a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's see. I think mommy wanna do something. I don't know. I'm gonna start off with this. Whatever this is. Hopefully it come out nice.
When we put it on our eyes, maybe the computer's about.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this glittery pink
Okay,
color.
I agree.
Oh no, that's like a glittery orange. Sorry. Okay.
Okay,
And
I'm so
we'll do
scared.
our first eye. Okay, you're gonna start in the crease. Okay, let mommy show you. Okay, if I can see. Oh, I can't see. Right in there. Okay, come on.
You have enough. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just patting it on there. But I need more.
I don't know what I'm doing.
But I hope it come out fire. I hope it come out fire. Did you get the same color? Okay, good. Okay.
Dang, okay, I got too much.
No, you don't.
It like felt like a salt powder.
And it's gonna look vibrant.
Y'all know those ladies that be doing like slashes like that.
Oh, but you didn't even do your other eye. Don't rush. Okay. You need some more, baby. You need more. Look at my baby. She thinks she know how to do makeup. Okay. So I'm gonna wipe this on my leg. We just wiping the brush off using the same brush. And I got some tissues, but I'm just gonna rub it on my pants. It'll wash off. Next, we need to pick another color.
Wait, what are we gonna do?
It's gonna go above that, above the pink. So you gotta put it right under your eyebrow. So you gotta try to find your eyebrow and don't put it on your eyebrow.
Yeah.
That one.
Same color. You guys get the same color, Mama. Good job.
Okay.
Get that one.
No, I don't want that one. I want this one. Whatever this is.
Oh, Mama, look, that's so pretty. I have
She
this
had
one.
this one at first.
Now I have.
Now she got the one I had. And I had that one at first. And now I'm picking this one.
Oh shoot! I think I got on my eyebrow.
Oh, Niece is pretty.
Oh,
Okay.
I think I'm gonna win.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna win.
loose. I feel like I'm putting it all on my eyebrow.
Yes, you are.
Whatever.
Don't judge my mama because we gonna get in a fight.
Really?
Yes,
It's not that serious.
It is not serious. Talk about my mama gonna get these hands.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh my gosh. No, I'm not.
She crazy.
I'm not crazy. You got all up on that eyebrows.
Oh, I feel like I do. You're doing better than me. Cause I can't feel. Well, my eyebrow.
I can feel. I look pretty.
Let me see.
No, I
That I look crazy.
Which one? I can look in the mirror.
Nope.
I can look in the mirror.
Then look.
I can look in the
Okay,
mirror.
it's gonna be right here on your eyelid. So you gotta close your eye, one eye, and do it.
Oh my god, I
So
can't
pick
do
the color.
it.
I'm with the gold.
That gold?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me pick a color.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this orange. This orangish color right here. And we're gonna pat it on the.
I hope I didn't get this on my eyelash.
I have this orange, just color right here, and Shanice has the gold.
Yeah, I have this like this prettiest
It's
goldness.
pretty gold.
I hope I don't look ugly.
We probably look scary, to tell you the truth, Shanice. Really
Ooh, I'm
scary.
trying not to cheat, but I need to cheat.
Nope, no cheating.
We can't leave this bathroom.
Can't leave. No.
Why?
Why? So you can go cheat.
No, not to cheat. Like to get something to drink.
No. You can get something to drink when we finish.
Wow.
Come on. Now, let's pick one more to
Look
put
like
on the
those.
outside. Oh, goodness. To put it on the outside, okay? We'll put it on the outside, like right in the corners.
Okay.
Okay.
You
And
know
I'm
what?
gonna just dab it. Look, I'm just dabbing it in the corner right now. Okay. There we go. Ding.
Okay, I got you. I'm just gonna pick a color. 1, 2, 3, close your eyes. Holy shit, I got it in the middle.
So we both got this purple.
Yeah. Oh man, look in the mirror.
Yeah, chill. And blend. I don't even know if I'm blending.
Yeah, you are. I got pretty too.
Okay, we're gonna see. All right. Don't
What's
look at me.
happening?
Hurry up, do your other eye. Let me see. Okay, a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, which one? Which one?
That one. I'm doing so hard. Good Lord. Yeah. Okay. Put it up top, under your eyebrow, on that eye. This eye.
Okay.
Up a little bit more. Yeah, cover that up, darling, because you look scared. All right, that's better.
I'm looking at it.
All right, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. No, what did you do that? Did you do that?
Okay, look, show them the camera what you look like. Oh, you too close. Back up.
Oh, sorry.
Back up. That's what she look like.
I want to see what I look like, mommy.
Okay, now I'm going to see what I look like.
I look
Horrible.
No, you look so pretty.
No, I don't. I put it all on my eyebrow. Go this way.
Okay, you did.
I ain't blended at all.
No, I need some more purple, sorry.
It don't look terrible for me not to have a thing, but this is what I look like.
Mama, honey boo boo, if
Let
you
me try
just
blending this in a little bit more, a little better. This has been a horrible.
look, see that muscle? That's important.
Okay, now that we did our eyes, it's time to do some
A
lips.
lip. I know I'm good at lips.
Shanice wanted red lips. Why? I don't know. But she wanted
But
red.
I'm doing my designer.
That's red. She can't look. She can't see what she's doing. I'm gonna do this pink, whatever this is. I don't even know what this is.
Okay.
Once again, we can't see, so we don't know how it's on there. I'm just trying to follow my lip.
Can I look? Can I look? Can I look? Can I look? Please look.
Show them first.
Ugh, no. Ugh.
Ew. Ew.
I'm fixing
I look
it.
like a clown.
Oh, that's not pretty though.
Oh, it's not. I'm a clown. A straight clown. Okay, you guys. Well, this was our video.
What about
Horrible.
what about this?
No, you don't need your eyebrows done, baby. You already look foolish. This is our video. Remember to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
okay. And we will be back with another video.
On my life, grinding on my life. That's on my life. On my life, grinding on my life. That's on my life. On my life, grinding on my life. That's on my life. On my life.